Okay, so let's move down to numbers 7 and 10, which may be the same type of problem. Let's see, 7 and 10. I do believe they are. Okay, so let's look at 7. Cindy, Jamal, and Monique are dividing a piece of land using the lone divider method. After flipping coins, Monique has been selected to be the divider and divides the land into 3 pieces. The values of the 3 pieces of land in the eyes of the other players are shown below. Now, when everything's in percentages, we want to take 100% and divide it by the number of people who are involved, and that will give us the fair share for each person. So if there's 3 people here, Cindy, Jamal, and Monique. If we divide it by 3, that's going to be 33.33% for everybody's fair share. So everybody should get a third, essentially, 33.33%, to be a fair share. So if we look at the way Cindy has valued these pieces of property, 24%, 31%, and 45%, the only piece of property that is a fair share for Cindy is this one that she values at 45%. It's the only one that's over 33.3%. Jamal, if we look at how he has valued things, the only thing that is over 33% for him is the 42%. So he has to have piece 1. Now, whoever the divider is, that person has automatically divided things up so that they're all even for the way they see things. So Monique, whoever the divider is, in this case Monique, I'll just symbolize her with an M, hers will all be the same. They'll all be 33.33%. So anything is a fair share to her. So if she had filled out this table, would have all of them exactly the same, 33.33%. I know my 3's look kind of... All right, so in this case, since Jamal is getting piece 1 and Cindy is getting piece 3, all that leaves is piece 2 for Monique. So she is getting piece 2. And what is the value of that piece in Monique's eyes? It is 33.33%. And that will always be the case for the person who is doing the dividing. They will have whatever that fair share turns out to be as the value of their piece. All right. So let's just check 10 and see if it was different or not. We can always do an example of it. Yeah, so 10 is the same idea. In fact, it's looks like the same kind of problem. Monique is, and we just have to believe we'll get 33% again. Cindy will get this piece, Jamal will get this piece, which will leave Monique with piece number 1. And it will be 33.33% in Monique's eyes. So hopefully that helps you through these problems.